Hi, I'm Corey Sickles with Safe Harbor. Today I would like to spend some time talking about income planning. The number one mistake I see people make when planning for retirement is that they do not factor inflation into their future income plan. And when I say income plan, I mean a plan to ensure you will not run out of money in retirement. As people try to figure out how much money they will need to save for the future, they use their current expenses and do not take into account that their income will need to increase yearly going forward. Now, according to Smart Asset, since 2000, the average inflation rate is 2.1% per year. So if you retire today and need an annual income of $75,000, then you will need to have an annual income stream of $114,000 20 years from now to have the same spending power. Cost of groceries, gas, medical expenses will continue to go up, and you need to prepare for that with a solid income plan. Safe Harbor specializes in retirement planning, and we can help you create a long-term income plan that takes inflation and other things you might not consider as you plan for your financial future.